ugly skin I was just customizing. I don't really want that ugly skin. Ooh, I like this skin. Never mind, not that skin. That's for like night times. But hey guys, it's me here, back with another video today. If some of you are asking how was school, well, my school is just going fine, as perfect, and it's going, it's like going good, guys. It's like going really good. School's like alright and stuff. It's alright, guys. It doesn't matter. Some people like walking around with their slippers. But I gotta show you the addon. It imported like minutes and minutes ago. And the demonstration world, guys. So let me put the. We're gonna go on build something with flows. So let me put the behavior and resource pack on, because the resource doesn't really, the behavior pack, I don't think, who needs that? So it's called Damon Souls. Guys, I keep getting everything off of the same thing, same worlds, guys, and I mean, no, not the same worlds, but the same app called addon. And it's like nice. Sorry if you guys can't hear me over this stupid music. The stupid music, I need to stop it. Whoa, what the heck? Today I was like in music class, and then there's like a wasp or something. There's like a wasp. There's like, but it's like diable ears and stuff, guys. So cool, right? Guys, I like to know, right? Oh, woo! So let me drink some milk, guys. Milk, 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 milk. So this is me, guys. Whoops, let me turn to the front, guys. I know, I'm so cute, right? You guys don't think I'm cute? I'm a dab on you haters. Just kidding. Well, if you're a hater, don't watch my videos. I swear, you haters, if you comment down on my video that you hate me, I will, your breath, I bet half percent of you are half percent of you are 4th graders, and half percent of you are little kids who hates me. I'm a dab on you haters. What the heck happened? Let me dab on you haters. So you can pretend like you're a wolf. It's also like dyeable and stuff, guys, because it's leather. Of course, it's like leather, guys. So don't hide my HUD. So we're in first person now, guys. You dab on your haters. Dab on your haters. You could do roleplay series with this. I was just scrolling through it to see what You better run. Run, you better run, haters. You better hate. Dab on you, hater. Dab. I'm dabbing on you, hater. Dab. Dab on you, hater. Oh gosh, I'm kissing stuff all over the place. Dab on you, hater. Dab. I'm dabbing on this hater right here. He said he doesn't like my YouTube channel. You don't like my YouTube channel? Then why do you even watch it? Boy, you watch it every single day, and you don't care about it. You secretly love it. That's such a good. Yes. Oh yeah, one thing. I'm lost. Well, guys, you guys are probably like, where's the video? Where's the video? Let's get back to the video. So, this is a flatland. So,
hey, Liz.
Sorry about that, guys. So, let's grab a few of those. Who knows who needs those? Who needs those command blocks? And let's grab a few of those. And I'm gonna also teach you guys how to die in 1.0. The older versions. These are like so easy. It's if you have dye and you have a cauldron, so. Cauldron, and we need some dye, guys, so let's grab some dye. I said buy. Dye. So I want like gray. You could do anything you want, so I'm gonna grab some pink, guys. Oh goodness, let's clear our inventory, guys, cause yeah. Shut up, you stupid thing. I'm sorry, guys. I was talking to the, It's just like I'm playing on computer version, but guys, I'm not playing on a computer. I said, wow! How this thing gave me milk. I said water. I said I want water. This thing's... So we could put these things we could put these pink ears on. So who wants to see it? We do. Okay. Well, the whole crowd wants to see the Fantastic Four. Just kidding. The fantastic pink ears. Whoops, video. Red person front. Red person back. So let me turn my head. See, guys, as you can see, you see the tail. It's a nice, lovely tail, guys. And as you could see, these are my pink ears. You could pretend like your little piggy. Or you could pretend like you're a fox. What does a fox say? What does a fox say? Sorry about that. I'm bad at singing that little song. We're gonna pretend like we fox. We are fox people. We fox. Just kidding. We are fox. Whoops. So, if you really want to look like a fox, keep watching, cause it's gonna be interesting. You need orange dye, and you need a tail. You need a tail, guy. You need a tail, people. Tail. There we go. And you need some. We don't need those. We don't need those big guys, we're gonna put these little ons. And I'm a fox. I'm a fox now. I'm a fox. You could pretend like you're doing a fox roleplay. That you're a human fox and all your shows out. Just kidding. Everyone says I'm like funny. Why do you think I'm funny, dude? I'm weird. I love being weird. Being weird is just being different. I love being not too different, but you see, guys. Now let's see my beauty little tail that poo-poo comes out of. Just kidding. Nobody will see what my poo-poo comes out of. You guys are like, we don't even want to see poo-poo. No, animals do poo-poo. I'm sorry about that, my boo-boos. Boo-boos. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure you like and subscribe this video. Please share it for a shout out. Just say I shared. Share it on your YouTube channel, or you can copy this video if you like to, and then I'll look on your YouTube channel and I'll appreciate it from you. Well, this is a challenge to all of you who wants this. And I challenge everybody in Minecraft, the whole YouTube who plays Minecraft to do a roleplay series of this. The whole Minecraft universe to do a roleplay of this and say this showcase was by Cookie vs. Sweet. I dare all of you who use YouTube, even MSP users, any kind, who download Minecraft with me. Well, you just wait to get it. I'm gonna show you all how to get it for free anytime you want to get Minecraft with me. Well, bye guys. Just kidding. I might show you all. Just kidding. It's a hack. Just kidding. It's no hack. But I'm gonna show you another way to get it instead of using whatever way by my friend. My friend, she told me she moved, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.